Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Frank's Handyman. Today we're going to be putting some backsplash here on this kitchen, and we're also going to be putting some ceramic tiles, as you're going to be seeing here in a little bit. First, he has to take out all the outlets here that are connected, so that's the first step that he's going to be doing. He's just going to be needing the screwdriver as well as a drill just to take out everything. As you can see, he took out all the outlets. He's also going to be disconnecting this stove here because they're going to be putting a new one, so he's just going to take it out of the way. And then he's also going to be taking off the little vent that goes on top of the stove, just because as well here they're also going to be putting a new one. But for right now, before he takes that one out, he's going to take out these tiles here that were behind the stove. As you see, these are the ceramic tiles we're going to use, but now he's going to be taking off the vent that I mentioned earlier that they're going to put a new one there as well. So he's just going to take this off, and as well he's just going to be just unscrewing everything, and also with the drill just taking off the old screws that were on there. And this right here is the Ultraflex that he's going to be using to mix. All you need is just this and some water, and then just mixing it. And this is what I mentioned is going to be going in the backsplash. That way this is what's going to be holding the tiles. This is the machine right here that we're going to be using to cut the tiles. They're just putting some water there. This just ensures that, you know, the blade lasts longer, and that's the only reason there we're putting some water on there. And it's pretty straightforward. All you have to put is some of the mixture on the tiles, and then just be putting them on there, as well as you have to be putting some spacers. That way that ensures that it holds, you know, on the spot that you want them to be holding. That way they don't slip down or anything like that while the mold is still taking its place. And of course you're gonna have to do some cuts around the as you see, the electrical boxes that were used to be there. So all he has to do is just outline everything with a pencil, and then one of our other colleagues is going to focus on doing all of the cuts, while one focuses on putting and preparing everything on the walls to be putting all the tiles. As you see, he's advanced just a little bit, not too much. At least this corner is already almost done. Right here, he has to put this 2x4. That way, when he puts the tiles here, they don't fall down or anything like that. So it's important to also make sure that it's leveled. That way, he ensures as well that all the tiles are going to be leveled. On big spaces like this, you could just be putting a lot of the mixture on the space instead of just going one by one. Just like I said, it's because there's just a lot more space to work with, so it's just better to spread it all out. And as you see, it came along pretty great. Right here, he's just using the level just to draw a line here, and that's the end of where he's going to be putting the tiles. So he's going to have to do some smaller cuts right here. All he has to do is just draw a little mark on top of the tile where that line ends, and then with another tile he'll just make a straight line and then give it to our colleague. That way he just makes that cut and brings it back. This right here is the last corner that they're going to be working on. They're almost practically done. They still have to wait till it dries for the next day to put the grout. So stay tuned for tomorrow to see that process, and then just in general, just to see how really cool it's going to be looking. I hope to see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.